let's create some abstract gradients in Affinity. The principle behind this is quite simple. Using the mesh gradient, we want to create hard transitions in some areas and soft in the other ones. You can achieve a hard edge by either bringing the nodes closer together or by dragging the control handles, because the longer you make the control handles, the farther away the transition begins. Now I'll be making 3 different gradients to showcase the techniques. To begin, create a rectangle and selecting the gradient tool, choose the mesh type gradient. The first one is quite simple. I deleted the unnecessary nodes and mainly worked with a central node, added a color that contrasted with the peripheral nodes, and then manipulated the handles to get the shape that I wanted. I will explain how to add noise and make it more intense in the darker parts after this segment. In the second one, to create this S-shaped curvature, I dragged the upper middle node closer to the left edge and lower middle ones closer to the right. Depending on your design, you can really go crazy with the colors, and don't be afraid to bump up the saturation for some of them. The third one is the most complicated one. In this, I wanted to create this sort of an hourglass shaped gradient that gave a sense of depth. So I made the left side a little darker than the right side, as if there were light coming through from the right side of the poster. And I was basically using the same principles to get the shape that I wanted. I have included the link to the file. You can download it for free and check out the exact positions and colors that I used for these designs. Now, perhaps the most important step to make it look professional is adding noise. To add noise, having the shape selected, go to the pixel panel, new live filter layer, and from the noise options, select either add noise or diffuse. Both of them work well here from what I've seen. To have more noise in the darker regions, select this gear icon for the blend options and remove it slightly from the underlying layer's brighter regions like this. Nice.